Okay, what?
Yeah, you just put all the pieces.
You just cut the camera because I did it not good.
Now the second one. You got how many pieces of this one? Second, you find this one.
Okay, how much is that? 4 corners. What is the 4 corners? The 4 corners?
Yeah, and then 2 pieces, and then 2 pieces this one.
Okay. How much corner is that? 1, 2, 3.
6, no.
Okay.
And then 8 pieces of this one.
6. 1 6.
And
2 6, right?
yeah, 2 6.
Okay, where's the other 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's take
And then
another
you
6.
need 8 pieces of this one.
Okay, what is that?
8.
Is this one?
Yeah, 8 pieces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
8 pieces.
7, 8.
And then you put it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh my gosh.
And then 4 and 6. It's easy. Just easy.
Okay. And the circle's outside.
Yeah, the hole is outside.
Okay. There's like 2 on the side?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. And then there's also 2 more. Okay. This is not good. What is this? Ugh. Let the guy see there, because I know what I'm doing now.
You need some help?
Yeah, that's the crazy part.
It's quite easy. It's nothing difficult.
I know.
Part 3. Part 3, you need this, and this,
This
right?
is gonna be so long.
Hey,
Okay, 8 more of these. You only got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, we only got 7. Oh, no, 8. Now we need the 8 of these. Let's put it down here. We need 2, 4.
the same drill. That's what we have done before on the first 2 level. Now is the 3rd and the 4th level. It's the same.
Okay. Okay. The walls. The walls. Okay, thank you. Put that in. Oh, sorry. So we need to cut the camera until the last part. Go quickly, man. Thank you. Thank you for picking it up for me.
Now you check out the part 4. Part 4 is like this. Part 4. You pick all the pieces.
Like 2 of these pieces. 2, 4. And 2, 1 baby. Only 2. You put these right on the back. Okay, you put one of these right here. Get these up. If it's hard to put them on, it's hard to get them off, right? Like if you start wrong, you cannot even put them back.
And you got some sticker too. You didn't check out. Oh.
Oh, we got some stickers I did not check. Totally didn't miss it.
You use it.
No, I didn't.
Because I just read the instruction. You need to stick the sticker at the back.
Can you help me put this thing on for me? Thank you. This thing supposed to be way harder to put on, but it's very easy, right? I thought there was stuff.
You have to put a sticker at the back. You want to put it by yourself or what?
Sure. This one you put on the bottom. You have to put one here in the middle. Or two in the middle?
No, here.
Okay.
Not in the middle, in the top and the bottom.
One here. Wait. Okay. Okay, thank you for that.
Now we need to go to the part number 5.
So fast. I didn't know I could.
Part number 5.
Part number 5.
Break all these
we need
pieces
the
first.
Pink one of these because there's only one, and the longest one, the same size as it, and then the blue piece, this one, right? Let's see. Okay, you have to put this one right here on the back. Okay. I work very slow, right?
Now we go to part number 6.
Okay, part number 6.
Pick up all the pieces.
This one. We got 3 of the smallest ones.
Let me try to make it more tight. Make sure it won't
Tight.
fall.
I want to take the pieces. One of this. And then
Actually, this is what
one of
this pack is called. I don't know. This one is Shopkins Kinstructions. This is what works with more major brands. It said works with most major brands, which mean Lego.
What do you mean though?
Yeah, this is the checkout lane actually for a supermarket. Yeah, this is cashier.
I got all the pieces.
Now you can put all the pieces on it.
It's so easy to put them. We only got so little. Okay.
Yeah.
It's hard to look at the instructions when it's on there, right? We put one right here. Tighter. Trying to make it tight like you. Okay. Now we need this one. Right here.
Now we go to part 7. That's what we need for part 7.
We know so much. We need, what is that again? One of these. One of these. Also one of these. We need the mini notepad. Is this one?
Yeah, you get all the pieces already. Did you?
One almost. One of these. One of these.
Yeah. You put the pink one.
What is that?
The sticker.
Okay. I also need the round piece. We also have one more of this. Do we put this one on the box?
Yeah, it's almost done.
What about this one?
Oh, I don't know.
What?
I don't know where to put it.
I'm stuck. What is that?
Yeah.
Oh, I know now. It's,
Here.
yeah,
You
here.
didn't pick all the pieces you need.
Yeah.
And this is the place you put a sticker here, the
Can I
cashier
put
sticker.
it now?
Yes, the sticker
Oh.
you put here. Just like a cashier, you stick it here.
Right here?
Yes. Yeah, that's the cashier. So small.
Yeah, there's only 10 steps.
7 now. What's next?
8.
Hey, we pick up all the pieces first.
We need this one. We need this one. One of that, one of that. 2 of these. Don't roll away. 2 of these, 1 of the long ones, and 1 this. Done. I picked all of them. Then we need 2 of these right here. Wait a second. Okay, let's not talk anymore. I don't want to talk.
Yeah, we can make it.
Yeah, I didn't. Oh, scissors.
Now you put the yellow one.
Right here. So we just put this one on, right?
Yeah, so put this one on top.
I thought there's something in the
Now
middle.
we're going to prepare the part number 9.
Pot number 9. We need 1 of this. What is that? 1 of these. Wait, let me see. 1 of these. 1 of the top ones. 1 of the flat ones. And then one of this number 1 sticker, and the other one is like this sticker. We don't have anything left. We only have stickers. Okay, that's the last part. We use all of these, so we don't need tape. Part number 10. Okay, we got all the parts. Now, it's just a hard time to remember. Which picture is that one? You need the round sticker now. Okay, now we got the sticker. You built it wrong, did you? I was confused. I was like confused. Okay, now it's good. Are you done yet? Okay. We got half of it done. More than half, right?
Yeah.
We're very close now. Maybe put 2 of these. Stick some of the stickers on. Both of them stuck together. So it's supposed to be like this. Okay, now where do we put it? Right here. Okay. Wait, it's hard to turn it around and put it on. Cameraman, are you stop talking? Because you don't want to talk?
No, I talk a lot. I'm just having you to do this and that. I guess we are done now, I guess.
We got step 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what are these parts?
Just putting on the, you see from the box, we put all those stuff on
What
the,
about these?
those, they got some extra pieces, make sure that we can finish it. Sometimes you just lost some parts, right? Yeah, that's the
Then
cashier.
What are these?
That's the cashier.
That's the money?
No, this is something you put it on here. You see? Right here.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the cashier. Supermarket. Shopkins cashier.
Extra.
Yes,
You
okay.
know there's one more sticker on there. Should we take it off? I'm going to take the last sticker off.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Okay, I got the last sticker off. I'm going to stick it on myself. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. So we will 1 million subscribers. So if you want to see one more time this, I'm going to give it to you in the last part of this video. So like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We want 1 million subscribers and press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.